Also, for your safety, please keep your arms, legs, head, hands, and feet inside the train at all times. There is no eating and drinking while on board the train. How you doing, Patty? And also, since the St. Louis Zoo is a tobacco-free and smoke-free campus, there's no smoking or use of any tobacco products whatsoever while on board on St. Louis Zoo property. That goes for all forms of e-cigarettes, vaping products, and chewing products. As we enter the first of our 3 tunnels, if you look to your right, you'll see our fish water hole. As we exit the tunnel on the right, you'll see Sea Lion Coaster, South Entry Plaza, Safari Down, and the Lost and Found area. We are now heading toward Historic Hill, the original part of the St. Louis Zoo. On your left is the Herpetarium, home to over 200 species of reptiles and amphibians, including the endangered Ozark Hellbender Breeding Center, where we raise and release the Ozark Hellbenders back out into the wild for repopulation. Next to the Herpetarium is the Primate House, where you can see monkeys and lemurs we're trying to protect from Madagascar. As we head through Snake Canyon, our next stop will be the Red Rock Station. From here, you can view the spectacular hoofed animals such as zebras, camels, giraffes, and antelope. Get that arm inside the train, young man. You can also take a walk through our birdhouse and enjoy our beautiful bird garden. And you can see the endangered Amur tigers and other big cats in Big Cat Country. If you're remaining on board the train when we get to the station, please remain seated. If you're exiting, please wait for the train to come to a complete stop. As we head to the second of our 3 tunnels, I ask you once again to please keep your arms, legs, heads, hands, and feet inside the train at all times. And I want to thank you in advance, before we get to the station, for riding the Emerson Zooline Railroad, and for everyone's safety, yours, the people around you, and the animals in the zoo. Please keep your mask up over your mouth and nose at all times while you're walking through the zoo. And please practice social distancing all while you're on St. Louis Zoo property. Station, otherwise known as Marvin Perkins Plaza. You may now exit the train if this is your destination at the Red Rock Station.